We're going to be talking about the Keynesian equilibrium and how to solve for it using the planned aggregate expenditure equation and how to solve for it using a graph. Also going to talk about how firms adjust their production over time if planned expenditure is not equal to actual expenditure. So first, in this example, we're told to draw the aggregate expenditure curve for an economy where autonomous expenditure is 400 and the marginal propensity to consume is 0.6. So we can say that autonomous expenditure A is equal to 400 and B, which is the marginal propensity to consume, is 0.6. So we can plug these into the planned aggregate expenditure equation where 400 plus 0.6 times y. We can go ahead and put this on the graph where autonomous expenditure is going to be the y-intercept at 400, and the slope is equal to the marginal propensity to consume, or B, which is 0.6. So with an increase in 600, we'll go over 1,000. So we can go ahead and connect these points to get our planned aggregate expenditure line. Now, we are going to also graph the line where planned aggregate expenditure equals national income, or GDP, or output. And where it intersects, where these two lines intersect right here, is the Keynesian equilibrium. And the Keynesian equilibrium will always occur where planned aggregate expenditure equals output. Let's go ahead and label this as Y star. And we're going to look at what firms will do over time. So let's say that output is right here at 400. At an output of 400, we can see that planned expenditure is greater than output right here. Because of this, firms will increase their production over time because there is a strong demand as planned inventory was greater than actual inventory. Now, conversely, let's say we have an output of whatever that is, 1,500. So planned aggregate expenditure is going to be less than income, national income. So firms are going to decrease their production over time because there is a weak demand. And planned inventory is less than actual inventory. That's basically it for planned aggregate expenditure and how firms adjust their levels of inventory based on the amount of